Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about what is line chart in Tableau. So line charts are useful when you want to see trends over time or to forecast future values. And line charts connects individual data points in a view. It connects several distinct data points and presents them as one continuous evolution. So let's go to Tableau and create a simple line chart. And I will drag order date into columns and sales into rows. So this is a line chart with sales by order date. And if you cannot see this line chart automatically in this view, you can click on this drop down in marks card and you can select line chart. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.